Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel where we explore exciting home decor ideas to turn your bedroom into a heaven of comfort and creativity. In this video, we will take you on a journey of imagination as we share some innovative furnishing and building tips to make your bedroom more stylish and inviting space in your home. Let's kick things off with the concept of multifunctional furniture. Invest in pieces that serve more than one purpose, such as a bed with built in storage, a desk that doubles as a vanity, or a foldable wall mounted table that can be used for various activities. Create a captivating statement wall to add personality and charm to your bedroom. Consider using wallpapers with bold patterns, textured materials like reclaimed wood or exposed bricks, or even a mural that reflects your interests and passions. Make your bedroom a cozy retreat by creating intimate nooks. Consider installing a window seat with plush cushions and throw pillows, a reading corner with a comfortable armchair, and a small bookshelf or a meditation space with soft rugs and floor cushions. A DIY headboard is a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your bedroom. Get creative with materials like pallet, wood, fabric, or even a repurposed vintage doors to design a headboard that perfectly complements your style. Upgrade your bedroom's lighting to create different moods and enhance the ambience. Incorporate dimmable lights or smart bulbs that can be controlled with your smartphone or your voice assistants, allowing you to adjust the brightness and color temperature according to your preference. If you limited floor spaces, maximize your storage potential with vertical solutions. Install wall shelves, floating cabinets, or hanging organizers to keep your belongings neatly tucked away while still leaving the floor area open and uncluttered. Add a touch of elegance to your bedroom with a canopy or dreamy drape surrounding your bed. This simple addition can create a luxurious and cozy atmosphere, making your bedroom feel like a romantic getaway. Bring the outdoors inside by incorporating plants and nature inspired elements into your bedroom decor. Indoor plants not only purify the air but also add a fresh, calming vibes to the space. Create a gallery showcase for your favorite artwork, photographs, and memories. Mix and match different frames and sizes to add visual interest to your bedroom walls. For a clutter free space and serene bedroom, consider adopting a minimalist approach. Keep only essential items available. Embrace a simple color and focus on cleanliness to create a calming and zen like space. Take your statement wall to the next level by incorporating decorative molding. Use crown molding, chair rails, or picture frame molding to create a unique accent wall that adds texture and sophistication to your bedroom. For a clutter free and organized bedroom, consider integrating hidden storage solutions. Use underbed storage, drawers, ottomans with hidden compartments, or built in cabinets to keep your belongings out of sight while maintaining a clean and polished look. If you are looking for headboard alternative, think outside the box. Hang a larger tapestry or fabric panel behind your bed for a bohemian touch, or create a floating shelf headboard to display decorative items and books. Save the floor space and create a modern look by installing wall mounted nightstands on either side of your bed. These sleek and functional additions provide space for essentials while keeping the area open and uncluttered. Elevate your bedroom with a DIY canopy bed frame. Use curtain rods or a wooden dowels to create a simple and elegant canopy, and drape sheer curtains for a dreamy and romantic effect. Consider the psychology of color when choosing your bedroom's color pattern. Opt for calming hues like soft blues, greens, or pastel shades for a soothing atmosphere, or with bold and vibrant colors to energize the space and express your personality. Thank you for joining us on this journey through creative bedroom furnishing and building ideas. We hope these tips have inspired you to transform your bedroom into a stylish and comfortable area that truly reflects your personality. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and share your own creative bedroom ideas in the comments below. Happy decorating ideas.